Alright. Alright.
No. No.
Alright. Alright. Come on.
You're gonna be very scared if I close that door, and that is not compatible with life.
He's like, I like it.
You want to pay the electric bill?
That'll be awesome. Come on. Oh, Max. On to Birdie like to stay in here. Right?
It's hot.
Look at this. Let's try again. Come on, boo. Come on. Come on. Give me your tootsies and let's go. He's ignoring me. Oh, wait. He's getting the barbecue sauce. He's getting the barbecue sauce. Come on, you. Come on. He's getting the mayonnaise.
No, we can't have the mayonnaise.
Come on, give him the mayonnaise.
Sorry.
That's alright. I think this is like the funniest thing, right? He's ever done. Open the mayonnaise, get the barbecue sauce.
You should learn to cook.
Yeah. No, honey. No maple syrup.
Your bird won't come out of the refrigerator.
He won't go.
Hey,